Look at the kids, they're playing around over there. I think they're making a snowman too. It's still snowing. Still dropping the ice.
News Headlines is presented by Calvo's Insurance.
At that. Hi, kids.
I'm too fast. As Santos explains, it was simply too late once the fire started. The Tinnenwood home was completely consumed by flames. According to Guam Fire Department spokesperson Kevin Riley, just before 5 o'clock yesterday, units along with medics and rescue units responded to the house fire along Jalan Chimachet and Asimbo Dededo. Riley says the entire structure, including 2 cars, were fully engulfed when the units arrived.
There's nothing you have to